Today I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your collab. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, go up of this your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do next, you just click here on overlay screens, click on it here. So then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Come here to show post call overlay for contacts, click in this sign or this color here. So then here, before that you have to get premium, then automatically it's going to disable with you here, show post call overlay for contacts on your call app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.